In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 1 cent likes on your Facebook page. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise videos that show and tell you what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. So with that said, let's get started. So here is one of the projects that I ran on my Facebook page. You can see I got 3,349 likes. It cost $53.63, which is about 1.6, 1.7, if my maths are correctly, 1.7 cents per like on this Facebook page. So here's what we do. We go over to our Facebook page that we want to get likes on, and we're going to do a post that looks like this. We're going to grab this image. You just go over to Google Images and search for I love you leaf, and you'll find this one. Then in the title here, it's going to say I love you, and we're just going to go and post that. Okay, and from there, we're going to go over to create ads. Okay, and once we're in here, we're going to go to goal. We'll say we want to change this to get more page likes. Click on save. And then we're going to use a post, and we're going to use this post here. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to we want to leave this on. We want to leave this one off. Let's change this because we want to change the audience. So we want to have it as all. We want to have it as 18 to 65. We want to take off Spain so that we can leave just worldwide. Okay, we're going to target Pakistan. We're going to target India. We're going to target Sri Lanka. And we're going to target Nigeria. And we'll target also Vietnam. And we'll also target Indonesia. So these are some of the cheapest places to get traffic from online. Now, everything else we're going to leave the same. So click on Save Audience. And we're going to go down to run this ad continuously, and you can spend just $1 per day if you want to start off. If it's going to be a long campaign, I recommend about $2 per day. And you can go to advanced placements. You can leave this on, and that is everything. So that's all you need to do, and you just click on publish, and you will get 1.5 to 1.8 cents per click for this method, and you can build your Facebook page very quickly with this. Now, if you change this to like USA, if you want to go to with Canada, it's going to cost you a lot more. So the 1 cent clicks really only comes with this lower cost, lower tier 3 kind of traffic. So that is it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and I'll see you inside the next video.